Hi folks, welcome to Chapter 12, the Advanced Tutorials, and we're going to be working with the menu zoom or the zoom menu. Now let's take a quick jump over to one of our web pages here, just have a little bit of a chat about that before we get started. Now the zoom menu is a component that we include in the Generation 10 templates, but we don't often employ. One of the reasons is there's a lot of things on the page, or there's a lot of components on the page already. Adding the zoom menu, although one of the coolest things that we have, really it's one of those things that also take up a lot of space. So with the amount of information we've already put on the page, we've simply included it as a feature or a component, but we've basically hidden it or taken it off the page. And you can choose to use it or employ it at your will. But to do that, you simply need to enable it and then position it. Let me show you how to do that. Let's jump over to Dreamweaver. Let's jump into our site and our primary.css, and we'll take a look for the zoom menu component. Okay, so take a little look through the page here, and somewhere up near the top we'll find perhaps something that's called animated components, but specifically we're looking for zoom menu component. And you'll see that the visibility is set to hidden and the display is set to none. And you'll find this in all of your major style sheets, your layout style sheets, such as the minimized, the primary, and the secondary. So you'll need to open up all three of these style sheets and enable the component for those layouts that you want to use it in. And to enable it, what I suggest you do is just simply copy from an existing component the visibility visible and paste it over top of the visibility hidden display none. Okay, so now it's enabled, and if you're not sure you did it right, just take a look at this and compare it to another one on the page right there. Okay, and the next thing you need to do is position the component, and to do that you need to scroll on down to the second set of information here where it says zoom menu component once again, but now we're talking about the positioning. So we have a top and a left position. All right, now you need to fine-tune this to your own discretion. Let's take a look at the top position. Let's just change this to 120px from the top, and we'll set it from the right side of the page. Okay, we're going to save this and preview our primary layout. So let's just jump back here and we'll hit the refresh button. And there's our zoom menu right there. Okay, so now it's in the page. Now it's a matter of fiddling around with the style sheets until you get it to where you want it to go. And back to Dreamweaver. Now the last thing you'll need to do is go into your library folder, and you'll need to go into the zoom menu or the menu zoom page and flip it over to the design mode, and you'll see that you have the icons here, and now it's just simply a matter of linking the icons to the pages in your site where you want them to link to. So you select an icon, and using the properties panel down below, you see we have the source, that's for the image, then we have the link, and that's for the page that it links to. So if you sort of scroll through your list of pages over here on the right, you can now relink your images to wherever it is you want to link it to. And you'll see that the image right here, it uses a picture property of 128 by 128 pixels. So if you want to create a new one, you can replace it with an image of the same size and then link it to wherever you want to. And it's just a simple image in the page linked in right here. And like any images, as we've worked through the different advanced videos, you'll know that it's easiest to simply put your replacement image into the site first and then use the point to file tool or the browse to file tool to simply replace it using the properties panel down below than it is to drag an image off the page and replace a new one. So hope you have any questions, and that gets that zoom menu up and running for you.